What's going on, everybody? We've got some breaking news for you right here on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel, and this is all about ClearCryptos. Breaking news for the end of 2022. ClearCryptos obviously laying down the foundation right now in the bear market. They launched in mid-October, doing a fantastic job of creating partnerships right now, setting the groundwork right now, laying the foundation, if you will, as we roll into 2023. I want to take you inside their Twitter page where they're highlighting some of the key things that we're looking forward to moving into 2023. Check this out. It says, "Good morning, everyone. A bit of updates today from the ClearCryptos community. You can now enroll in our affiliate program. With this, we will have access to our specific goals in ROI for achieving an effective and efficient cryptocurrency/company. So you and everybody out there can be part of this affiliate program. They're trying to bring more and more people into this DeFi ecosystem that is growing and that is ready to take off next bull run. This will be updated on the website in the next day with easy access to join the affiliate program. ClearCryptos is dedicating $1 million in USDC to help achieve year one goals." That is not a typo, folks. $1 million in USDC. ClearCryptos Swap has also added Coinbase Wallet SDK to our fiat on-ramp and off-ramp. And this effectively will allow any Coinbase user to be able to use Coinbase products on our swap on both mobile web for iOS and Android and desktop. ClearCryptos has officially integrated with BitRefill. With BitRefill, you're going to be able to purchase gift cards and mobile recharges in 170 plus different countries with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dash, or Dogecoin. Convert your Bitcoin into gift cards or phone minutes and data with BitRefill. ClearCryptos continuing to work on a number of different partnerships right now. Again, laying that foundation as we head into 2023. We've got a ton of great content here for you. Make sure you're subscribed right here to this YouTube channel. We've got everything you need to know. Now, further updates to come for the new year. Plaid integration, Sila integration, Evolve the bank integration, many more to come, but these are just the most prevalent updates in the immediate future. Guys, when I tell you this is a DeFi company looking to absolutely flip all other things that have been done on its head and do it completely differently. This is a company to be reckoned with moving forward. They are going to revolutionize the DeFi space. I have confidence in saying that because I am right there on the ground level with the team. I see the pieces in place and how they're going to operate. This is going to be a great company to be a part of. I'm happy that I am here bringing you this content right here on their YouTube channel. Get ready, folks, because I'm super excited. I can't wait until 2023 and what it has in store for ClearCryptos and for this entire cryptocurrency market. We are going through some of the biggest changes we've ever seen in crypto because of all the fallout. This is providing an enormous opportunity for great companies to come in and solve big problems. We know we have big problems in the cryptocurrency market. We know we have big problems in DeFi. We know DeFi is the future. Big time companies are going to come in, solve the problems, be first, and they will be recognized as some of the best companies that have pushed this entire industry forward. And again, if you want to be part of the ClearCryptos affiliate team, send a DM over to them on Twitter, get a hold of them, sign up on their website. If you're a holder, you're going to get rewards twice a year. Massive, massive rewards program. Check it all out, clearcryptos.com. Appreciate you guys so much. We'll talk very soon.